Home Show.
Jerry from the Fondren Park area has a question about AC restoration.
Well, he has a unit that once upon a time was recalled, but now it's leaking. And so Jerry writes, I have a 20-year-old 2-speed compressor and 2 attic air handlers, Tom. When one is on, the compressor's at half speed. When the second one comes on, it goes to full speed. Would you replace the bad coil or replace them both with a new variable speed unit?
Well, if you're going to do a variable speed unit, you're replacing the entire air conditioning system. And that, of course, is going to be incredibly expensive. And I would not do a variable speed. I would do a single speed, good, efficient, well-installed air conditioning system to keep the humidity down, to give you the cooling capacity you need, and don't make it too complicated. One of the things you're finding out now as it breaks down as it gets older, it's really complicated to get all these parts and pieces fixed. So it comes down to your budget. If it was me, I would fix the unit I have because that's the way I am. I keep things working a lot longer than most people. I think in the long run, it's better for your money because you probably were happy with it or he was happy with it for all these years. So let's go ahead. And if it was a bad coil and you know that's what it is, that's what you need to replace. You're talking about maybe less than a couple thousand as opposed to $12,000, $14,000, $16,000. So to me, that's a big chunk of money out, especially in today's environment with the financial stuff and everything going on. I just fix what needs to be fixed.
Cash is king. Keep your powder dry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You bet. It. Money is freedom. Don't give it up. Hold on to it.
There you go. You got a question? Tom will help you out just like that. Go ahead and send us your question. And we appreciate when you do that to HomeShowRadio.com using that Ask Tom form. Fill it out, send it in. We'll do an answer like this. We post them every day at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, and Facebook.